Okay, the question is which one of the following statement is correct? Conversion of XS3 code to BCD code can be achieved by using option A discrete gate, option B 4Gem16 decoder, option C 4-bit full adder, option D 4-bit half adder. Now we can make any digital circuit with use of discrete gate. Answer of this question will be option A, but we will still continue to convert XS3 code to BCD code. Here left hand side I wrote down XS3 code and right hand side I wrote down BCD code. So BCD code is represent with A, B, C and D, and XS3 code is represent with W, X, Y and Z. So we have only 10 valid BCD code which is represent with this orange part here, and its equivalent XS3 code is also represent in this orange part. And other invalid BCD code, the combination which represent XS3 code for that other invalid BCD code is taken as a don't care condition here. For first 3 case is a don't care condition and last 3 case is also don't care condition. Now we will make a K-map for D here. So D is represent BCD value and W, X, Y, Z represent XS3 value. W here is our most significant bit and Z is a least significant bit. So for variable K-map is something look like this. We are using SOP convention here. In SOP convention, when variable takes 0 value, we put a bar on variable, and when variable take 1 value, we use a variable in normal form. So cell numbering will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40 and 50. We use a gray code for K-map here. It will be don't care, don't care, don't care and 0. So here we will put don't care, don't care, don't care and 0. Now next 4 value is 1, 0, 1, 0. So here we will put 1, 0, 1, 0. Now next 4 value is 1, 0, 1, 0 again. So here we will also put 1, 0, 1, 0. Now next 4 value is 1, don't care and don't care, 1, don't care and don't care. Here we can combine a octave of ones with use of don't care condition, and it starts with first column and last column. So this octave will be minimized as a, because we have a Z bar is common in first column and Z bar is also common in last or fourth column or last column. So D will be represent as a Z bar. Now we will make a K-map for C. First 4 value is a don't care and 0. So don't care and 0. Now next 4 value is a 0, 1, 1, 0. So we will put 0, 1, 1, 0. Now next 4 value is a 0, 1, 1, 0. So we will put at 0, 1, 1 and 0. And next last 4 value is a 0, don't care and don't care. So we will put as a 0, don't care and don't care. We can make a 2 quad of ones in second column and fourth column with use of don't care condition. So this quad will be minimized as a Y bar Z and this quad will be minimized as a Y Z bar, because whole column is covered by this quad, these 2 quad. So C will be represent as a Y bar Z plus Y Z bar. Now we will make a K-map for B variable. So we have first 4 value is a don't care and 0. So we will put don't care and 0. Now next 4 value is a 0, 0, 0, 1. So we will put 0, 0, 0, 1 in cells, in particular cells. Now next 4 value is a 1, 1, 1, 0. So we will put a 1, 1, 1, 0. And next last 4 value is a 0, don't care and don't care. So we will put a 0, don't care and don't care. Now here we can see first we can make a quad of 1 with use of this 2 don't care condition, and all corner cells are going to part of this quad. And second we can make another quad with use of cell number 0, 1 and 8 and 9. Now last one will be covered in this pair with cell number 7 and cell number 15. Orange quad will be minimized as a, we have a Z bar common in first column and last column and X bar common in first row and last row. So orange pair will be minimized as a X bar, Z bar. Now orange quad will be minimized as a X bar, Z bar. Now blue quad will be minimized as a, we have a Y bar common in first 2 column and X bar again common in first row and last row. So it will be minimized as a X bar, Y bar, and this pair will be minimized as a, it has a YZ common in third column and it has a also x common in second row and third row, so it will be minimized as a x, y and z. So b will be x bar into z bar plus x bar into y bar plus x, y and z. Now we will last make a K-map for A. So we have a first for value is a don't care, don't care, don't care and 0. So we will put a values in particular cell number, don't care, don't care, don't care and 0. Now next for value is a all 4, 0. So we will put a 0, 0, 0 and 0. Next again for value is a 0, 0, 0, 1. So we will put a 0, 0, 0 and 1. And next last for value is a 1, don't care and don't care. So we will put a 1, don't care and don't care. So here we can see we can make a one pair here with use of 15 cell position and 11 cell position, and again we can make one quad with use of don't care condition in third row completely. So this orange quad will be minimized as a wx because it cover third row completely, and this pair will be minimized as a it has a yz common in third column, and also it has a common w third row and fourth row, so it will be minimized as a wyz. Now if we write down all our bit value for our BCD code A, B, C, D in form of XS3 bit W, X, Y and Z, we can easily see we can make our each bit of BCD code with use of discrete gate. Answer of this question is a discrete gate. We can convert XS3 code to BCD code with use of discrete gate.